Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm going to show you how I test the products that I use in my Bible to make sure that they're acid-free. Now, acid-free is important because I want to keep the items in my Bible, the art that I make, lasting for years to come, and I don't want them to deteriorate on the Bible journaling page that I'm working on over time. So I like to make sure that what I'm using is acid-free, and the way I test things out is with a pH testing pen. This one is by a company called, looks like Line Co, and I can tell you it works really well. The way you use this pen is you just take your pen and you mark it on whatever it is that you're trying to find out if it's acid-free or not. And what I like to do is whenever I'm buying sticker sheets, I just buy sticker labels because they're cheaper than what I was normally buying. I used to buy the Avery white sticker sheets, and those were not cheap, but they said acid-free on the front of them. So I thought, well, why not just go buy some shipping labels, these 8.5 by 11 blank shipping labels, and test them to make sure they're acid-free before I use them in my Bible. And I'm excited to say that every one that I have purchased so far, and I'll put links below, they are acid-free, so it's good news. I can get sticker sheets for, less than 10 cents a piece, which is awesome because I can make a lot of stickers for 10 cents instead of going to the store and buying stickers, which, is awesome, but can be pricey. So this pen, I think, is, probably running about $6-7, something like that, but I'll put a link there for you so you can see. But the way you use this is let's test it first on something we know is not acid-free, like a newspaper. Newspaper is definitely not acid-free. So if the newspaper is not going to be acid-free, if we think it's not acid-free, it's going to be yellow or colorless when I mark on it. But if it is acid-free, then it's going to turn purple. So I'm just going to mark across here for you so you can see. And you can see that it is yellow and almost colorless. So we know that this has a pH of less than 6.8, which means that it's acidic and will deteriorate over time. And we know that with newspaper clippings. So if you are going to use newspaper clippings in your Bible, I would suggest you print it out on copy paper. Most copy paper, every piece that I have tested, is acid-free. So I would print it out on copy paper and put that in my Bible instead of using a newspaper clipping. Now, for these shipping labels that are super inexpensive, they're real cute because you have this one has the pull here, the split here, so I really like that because sometimes I create stickers and I don't want the slit down the middle, so this one's on the side, which is super nice. Anyways, to test this one, I'm just going to make a cross here, and you can see that it's purple. So purple means that it's above 6.8 pH, and that means that this stick paper is acid-free and can be used safely in Bible journaling and scrapbooking and card making and whatever it is you would like to use them for. So I will go ahead and link up to the different sheets, sticker sheets that I buy for Bible Journaling Ministries, and then you'll know that they're acid-free. But I would suggest if you're just putting things in your Bible and you don't know if they are or not, just picking up one of these pens and giving them a test. Because I would rather have something in my Bible that's lasting forever, or at least close to forever, than have something that will deteriorate over time. I hope that this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please leave us a comment below, give us a thumbs up, and share with a friend. Thanks so much. You have a great day. Bye!